This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. Today is August 18th. A Russian cosmonaut just dealt with a rare spacesuit problem. As CNN's Jackie Wattles observed, Mission Control ordered Oleg Artemyev back to the International Space Station's airlock after encountering a suit issue. While the exact nature of the trouble wasn't clear as of this writing, NASA commentators noted a slight fluctuation in the suit's battery power. Artemyev returned safely, plugged into the station's power supply, and resumed operations. We've asked NASA for comment. In a statement to Space.com, spokesperson Bob Navius said Artemyev never was in any danger when the anomaly occurred around 12 p.m. Eastern. Artemyev and fellow Russian Denis Matveev were in the midst of outfitting the ESA's robotic arm with cameras and other equipment changes. While this appears to have been a mild incident, it may have produced unpleasant flashbacks. Italian astronaut Luca Parmitano's suit leaked during 2 spacewalks. The first initially went undetected in July 2013. During the second sortie, Parmitano's helmet filled with water and made it difficult to breathe. His calm return to base may have helped save his life, according to a NASA report. The incident led the agency to pause all non-emergency spacewalks until it isolated the cause, a clogged filter, and took steps to prevent future crises. Artemyev's issue might not lead to a similar review. However, it underscores the continuing fragility of space exploration. Even a seemingly minor issue can become serious in space, and mission teams don't want to take any chances. And Google has prevailed in its long-running battle over potentially defamatory web links. Australia's High Court has ruled Google wasn't the publisher of a link to a 2004 story in The Age that allegedly tarnished state lawyer George Defteros, who represented people implicated in the Melbourne gangland killings and briefly faced charges himself. As The Guardian reports, 5 of 7 court justices found that the search result link merely facilitated access to the story. Google didn't play a part in writing or distributing the content. The High Court also rebuffed Defteros' claim that search results encouraged users to visit a story. Someone who found that link was already searching for relevant content, the justices said. Some of the justices said the case might have been different if it had been a sponsored link, but that Google's appeal didn't require an answer on the subject. Defteros sued Google in 2016, accusing the company of defaming him. Google pulled the link in December that year and lost its initial court fight, but tried to overturn the ruling by arguing that it could have been held liable for the content of any page it linked to. It was worried it would have to act as a censor for the internet at large. The company didn't succeed with that first appeal, and in 2020, a Victorian Supreme Court ordered that Defteros receive $40,000 in damages. Google asked the High Court to intervene in January. The decision could have a wide-ranging impact on internet firms operating in Australia. They might not have to worry that search queries or other automatically generated links could get them into legal trouble. A complainant would have to show there was a deliberate attempt to promote an unflattering piece. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
Spoken Layer.